Offshore, where metal meets salt, wind, and relentless waves. The conditions are extreme, and hidden beneath layers of insulation, CUI is waiting. Corrosion under insulation, silent, hidden, and destructive. It weakens assets, it risks safety, and it doesn't wait for the next inspection. Offshore, unexpected failures don't just disrupt operations or impact the bottom line. They put people and the environment at risk. By the time the damage is visible, it's already too late. Shutdowns, asset failures, millions in lost revenue. But what if you could detect CUI without waiting for the next inspection? With sensors installed directly on the asset's surface, CorrosionRADAR's remote CUI monitoring solution continuously tracks conditions, detecting corrosion, moisture, and identifying high-risk areas. It delivers data straight to your desk, enabling unmanned platforms. The ocean will always test your infrastructure, but with the right insights, you stay ahead of the challenge. Undetected CUI today puts safety and reliability at risk tomorrow. Predict, detect, protect. Learn more about staying ahead with smarter CUI insights at CorrosionRADAR.com.